Go to somebody else's channel. It ain't no big deal. This shit is worldwide. Really. One monkey don't stop no show. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. This shit is worldwide, y'all. Worldwide. So you ain't gotta worry about what one or two people saying, y'all. This shit is worldwide. So drop y'all. Just drop it. Yeah. Conversation with the nation. You hear me out? No cap, man. I'm trying to tell y'all. If you can do this shit, it's easy. That's all. That's all. Just drop it and be yourself, y'all. No cap. This shit's easy. You hear me? People watch a video. You hear me? They ain't not watching your lifestyle. They watching your video. You know what I'm talking about? Then your video just gonna follow you. You know what I'm talking about? But other than that, man, say y'all pop out, lock out. We ain't playing no game. You hear me out? Keep it up from the triple D. It's going down, y'all. Please be safe. Fire in the hole. Let's go. Yeah. Big boys. What's up with it, y'all? Chilling like a villain, y'all. You better find you better find it. You did on pop it. You did. You just gotta find it. No cap. No cap. You did already. Yeah. Cooking with those just hit y'all. 63 and 1K. What's up with it? What's up with it, y'all? So that's gonna be get this channel popping, y'all. Yeah. For all my bro, what's up? Here I go. Here I go. Yeah. I told y'all I'm gonna say y'all. We're gonna set it off every time, y'all. No cap. I'm just gonna pop out. Ta-da. You ready? Yeah. Oh yeah, we're gonna get these subscribers up. We're these subscribers. We're gonna try to go viral. We're going. We did, yeah. We get these subscribers. So everybody, hey, pop out, rock out. We ain't playing no game. So if y'all want to see subscribers, come on over. I'll subscribe to your channel. Easy peasy. That's how we find it. Yeah. So if y'all want to subscribe to your channel right now, drop your comments, y'all. It's going down. You know? And y'all know, come on over. Come on down, y'all. Say represent the channel and say pop out, y'all. This the best channel, man. I'm saying all my channel the best channel. Shit, it's me, y'all. I'm just saying, come to the best channel, y'all. No cap. I told y'all, man, we ain't playing no game. We taking over the game. So come on, y'all. Come on, drop your comments. Represent. Yeah, drop your comments, y'all. Duh, that's the only way I know y'all here. Duh, pop out. Yeah, come on, y'all. Pop out. Represent the channel, y'all. Come on, now. I can't know that y'all on this channel if y'all don't drop your comments. You did. No cap. So represent where you're from, everybody. Represent. Man. Shit is easy peasy, y'all. Y'all gotta, hey, pop out. Yeah, pop out on these boys. Pop out. Oh, my bro, what's up with it, man? What? Thank you, Jesus. I've been looking for you, bro. I'm glad you okay, my bro. No cap, man. Say, man, be safe, my bro. I'm just popping out to let you know, man. Keep up the good work on the channel, man. Keep popping out, man. Just keep grinding, man. Y'all got this, y'all got this, man. All you gotta do is just say, keep grinding, y'all. No cap. I got you. No cap. If you my bro, y'all know, y'all drop it on everyone on my channel. I'm showing love. We popping now. It's going down. We collabing, subscribing. Let's get it, y'all. The shit is easy, y'all. So y'all pop out. Y'all know ain't nothing change on my channel, y'all. We gonna show love. We gonna pop out, man. That's what it's all about. You hear me? New Year in this shit. Let's get this shit popping, y'all. Say y'all, Black Mud came to the channel, y'all. No cap, y'all. Much love to my bro, man. No cap, man. Damn, much love. You ready for the 49er shit? You ready for the 49er shit? Cause you already know. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, let me make sure you see. Dun, 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 dun. It's going down, Black Mud. You already know. Nana Nation, I appreciate you coming showing love, bro. No cap, man. You just don't know, bro. Much love to you, bro. Bam. Bam. Say y'all, show love, man. No cap, man. My bro came to the channel, man. Say, boom, that's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna have a blessed day today, man. No cap, man. Say y'all, check out the channel, man. No cap, man. Say, man, go subscribe to my boy channel. You hear me, man? No cap. Y'all know how we do it on this channel, man. We show love. We pop out, rock out, man. Say, you already see a moderator. You already know you're a moderator. In the right there. It's in the what's the name right there? You know how I put it in the community. Say, man, y'all go holler at my boy channel, man. You already know, man. That's my boy Black Mud, man. We finna get this night.